Hi, this is TJ with the Crack Doctor. We're going to be fixing a 2015 Toyota Tundra. Customer has a little rock chip on their windshield. So we're going to be using the Glasweld kit. That shallow smooth sand goes from Glasweld. First thing you want to do is protect the vehicle to make sure you don't scratch the paint of the car. This is not very heavy, so we can make sure we don't dent the hood. You want to grab a ladder or something to get up here. So you want to inspect the damage. We're going to need a little probe. We're going to be using the probe to check the cracks. We got a few here. Make sure they're all connected to the center of the damage. You want to check the temperature off the vehicle? Off the glass. You want to clean the area. Any missing glass. You want to grab your tripod and you want to lube it with G-Fusion injector seal lube from Glasweld. You only need a little bit. Put it on your seal. Then you want to put the tripod. Of course, you want to clean the area first before. You don't want to get any moisture in there though. So you want to put it there. Don't push it all the way down yet, because we have to line it up with the rock chip. So you want to grab your tool. You want to go about half an inch or so, right there. And you want to load it with your preferred resin. We're going to use 5 drops. And you want to put your seal back on. Once you put your seal back on, you want to make sure the resin is flush with the seal. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that on the video.
I'm trying to zoom in.
So, this new ProVac Zoom has a ratcheting system. No more threads. So all you do, just place it right there. Line it up, push your suction cups. Then touch the glass. That's it. You don't have to worry about putting too much pressure on the glass. So you want to start with your vacuum cycle. You want to wait about a minute or so. So here we're waiting on our 30-second vacuum cycle. You can also use your probe and flex the rock chip to get the air out of there. So once you completed your 1-minute vacuum cycle, you want to turn it until you'll seal your injection cycle. You'll see the seal expand a little bit and you'll feel resistance. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, right there. And you will start seeing the resin fill the cracks. You don't want to push it all the way down, but just enough so the resin gets in there. And then you want to grab your probe and flex the little cracks and help that resin get inside there. No drilling. Once you flex your cracks, you will probably want to do another vacuum cycle. you can watch the air come out of the damaged area. Once your 30-second vacuum cycle has passed, you're going to push it back down. So once you know everything's filled in correctly, you want to go ahead and grab the Procure LED UV light, exclusive to Glasweld. Check out the design on this. The LEDs are angled towards the middle. You also have a timer, Procure timer. Press that button and it will let you know when you're ready. Let's get started with the drying. The UV light fits directly on top of the machine. The way you plug it in is the stop and plug. Put it in there and then you twist it. You don't want to tie it too hard, you just need a little bit so it stays in there. And you want to plug this in either on an external battery or inside the customer's vehicle. You see the Procure light up, then you know the LEDs are on. So you want to go ahead and press your timer and the light will start pulsating. Once the light starts pulsating, that will tell you that you're ready for the next step. So once you have cured your resin, you want to release the pressure on the tool. And then you got your little ratcheting system here. You want to push that. I don't know if you can get that on the video. There's a little tap right there. You want to grab your tool and then you push it back and it comes right out. Glasweld, baby. You want to put that somewhere safe, there's a leak, falls off. And you want to take off your suction cups. And you want to go ahead and grab your pet resin and a little plastic tab. Put a drop right on the surface there of the damage. Then you want to grab your Procure light once again and put it over the damage. Then you want to press your timer. And then you wait for that to stop pulsating. So we're still waiting for our Procure light to cure the resin. It looks like it has stopped pulsating, so we are ready to remove the tool. You want to go ahead and grab your razor blade. You want to do your 90-degree angle. There we go, all smooth. You want to wipe that area a little bit. You want to grab your pet polish. You want want to put a little drop of bed polish. You can get anything out of the bottle. There we go. And you want to grab a little cork and polish it. And you want to remove your mirror and the inside. And there is your final result. Hey guys, this is TJ again with Crack Doctor. I first want to thank Glasweld and Shiloh for sending us that kit with a new system, ProPack Zoom. It's a great tool. I really highly recommend it. So again, my name is TJ with Crack Doctor. We repair windshields. If you have any questions, please leave them down there and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.